But right now it is 100 degrees. Those heat index values make it feel even hotter, about 110 degrees out here. I'm currently baking right now, but a simple solution is just to walk into the shade. Just try to follow the shade as much as you can when you're walking around a city, and those temperatures are gonna drop ever so slightly, just a few degrees. So the handheld thermometer is reading 4 degrees cooler than it just was in the sun.
Pretty stationary thunderstorm at that, actually, kind of in between LaPlace and Kenner, moving its way into Kenner right now across I-10. So on the commute home, pretty strong thunderstorm moving its way northeast into the Lake Pontchartrain area, but it is no joke out there. Maybe you can get outside for a second to feel the heat and then go right back inside and appreciate the AC. And probably down a whole bottle of water, just because you step outside, it hits you real hard. But it's dumping in some pretty heavy rain out there, lots of thunder and lightning with this storm, covering around City Park, Jefferson, near the Uptown area, down through Tulane, French Quarter as well, down through Chalmette. Rainfall totals could accumulate between 3 to 6 inches, and some local amounts could see upwards of 10+ inches for southeastern Louisiana. That excess runoff can run into rivers, cause river floodings, low-lying areas, street flooding. Hey, happy Thursday. We're still tracking Invest 93L, and it is looking not like it's going to develop into a depression, only a 10% chance over the next few hours. It is just situated off of our eastern coast in the Gulf, and it's going to move its way inland as we head into the next couple of afternoon hours. So technically the center of this system is still over Gulf waters, but it is just off of our coast. It's going to move its way inland as we head into the afternoon hours, but it is still bringing in lots of widespread rain, especially off to the bayou parishes out to the west. So since it's been raining last night, we have accumulated lots of rain for our area. Widespread rain of 3 to 4 inches, upwards of 5 inches just to the east of Bay St. Louis. And off to the west, look at that, shy of 10 inches accumulated just to the northwest of Thibodaux, and lots of areas in the bayou parishes seeing upwards of 8 inches. And it's going to continue like this today and into tomorrow, with most of the heaviest rain being concentrated out to the west near Lafayette in those bayou parishes, and then widespread 2 out of 4 slight risk for southeast Louisiana. So showing you this on our precision cast run. Right now, technically, it's situated just off the coast, but it is going to move its way inland very quickly. This is not going to develop into a depression, just bringing in lots of tropical downpours throughout the rest of today and into tomorrow, with the heaviest rain being situated off to the west. Tonight, some spotted showers as we head into tonight and into tomorrow morning. And then as we head into tomorrow, we do it all over again. Most of the heaviest rain staying off to the west, but we get some spotty showers as we head in through tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. So most places could accumulate upwards of 2 to 4 more inches, with isolated places getting even more than that. So we're going to be keeping an eye on the flooding risk as we head in through tomorrow. Good news is temperatures are not nearly that bad because of all that tropical moisture and all the rain and cloud coverage. Looking over downtown, got some dark clouds off in the background. 83, feeling like 94. It is pretty humid out there. Lots of tropical moisture. Live radar, passing shower about to move its way into the metro area. But look at this, a pretty strong thunderstorm just to the north of Morgan City, bringing in more inches of rain as we head into the afternoon hours for places that have already seen upwards of 8 inches. So flooding is mainly going to be a main concern off to the west, but still lines of passing showers and storms moving their way through the metro area could cause some street flooding today and tomorrow. So we're going to be watching that as we head into the rest of today, on and off rain throughout the rest. And then as we head into tonight, those rain chances are going to subside, and then we do it all again tomorrow. Temperature is not going to be bad. Rain chances are going to be pretty elevated tomorrow, on and off rain throughout tomorrow. But then for your weekend, if you're wondering when you should go outside for your weekend plans, Sunday's looking like the better day. There's still going to be some tropical moisture in the atmosphere on Saturday, so 60% chance of widespread showers and storms on Saturday. But Sunday, we go back to a more isolated pattern, more afternoon thunderstorms in your forecast for Sunday. And as we head into the beginning of the work week, those temperatures are going to get pretty hot. Rain chances are going to decrease, but we're still watching today and tomorrow for flooding risks before we start to dry out as you start your next work week.